Welcome back, everybody. We're about to make the Dorito Meatloaves that I've been telling y'all about. I'm preheating the oven to 375. Let me take out my skillet. We don't need that in there. I store my skillets in the oven most of the time. Let me grab the Doritos and an onion. Where are those Doritos? We just have the regular nacho cheese flavor, but you can use any kind you want. I told y'all about these last week when we did the grocery haul, and I was really excited about making them, but never made them, so we're making them today. We're gonna put the ground beef in this big bowl. We're gonna chop up this onion. You could add green bell pepper too. Do I have any green bell pepper? I think I might have a little bit. If we do, we'll add green bell pepper in here too. Yep. All right, we got some. Cece helps me put stuff up a lot, so sometimes she knows if I have something I might not remember. I picked a little onion, but that's still a lot of onion that's going in there. You can, of course, leave the peppers and onions out if you don't want to add them. We just got this little piece of green bell pepper here we'll use. So do y'all still have your Christmas decorations up? We still have ours up. I'll probably go ahead and pack up some of the Christmas stuff this weekend, but leave the tree up and the lights up above the beam up there and the lights on the stairs. I'll leave those up for a little while longer. And the other decorations that can just be winter. Like I have a few trees that can just be winter decorations. They're not, you know, exactly Christmas. So we'll leave that stuff out. Wash this off real quick. Now we need 2 eggs in there. I think I already have some ready. Oh, yep, we have 2. Exactly what we need. Okay, eggs going in. We're putting in 1 pack of taco seasoning. I just have the Great Value Original. I think these are gonna be really good, y'all. And we need salsa. Let me grab that real quick. I have the Great Value Thick and Chunky Medium. You can use any kind you want to use. We need 1 cup. This is 2 cups, so I'm going to put in half of this jar. A little bit more. This also, of course, has some peppers and onions in it, so if you didn't want to add the fresh, it's in the salsa. The last thing we need is 1.5 cups of crushed Doritos. I'm just going to kind of eyeball this and crush them in here. Then we mix it all together, and we're going to form 8 mini meatloaves.
Oh, you crush them up. I thought it was going to be like layers of topping.
Oh, no.
Taste tester.
Taste testers here?
Mom,
What does the taste
not
tester?
hot.
No, these aren't hot. These are just nacho cheese. Is this what you want to taste test, or you wanted to taste test some? Okay, yes, that's what he wanted to taste test. Are they good?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna use our built-in tools to mix this together because I should put this in a little bit of a bigger bowl, I think. Now, let me grab a pan. I think we'll need 2 pans, maybe. I'm gonna see if I can fit all 8 of these on this pan. Okay, I'm just gonna shape them. And I'm gonna try to shape them into like a little, almost like they would have been in a little loaf pan. I think we'll only be able to get 4 per pan, if that's okay. Flatten this one out a little bit more. That one's a little bit bigger. I'm trying to divide them evenly. Not quite going as planned. The oven's ready at 375, so once we get these on the pan, they're gonna go in there and cook for 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna check them, and if they're done, then we'll do the next step.
Are we making giant cheeseburgers? Or
They're mini meatloaves.
Oh!
Mini is Dorito Meatloaves. Here they are. See what I mean? Like, I don't know how those got so much bigger. Not too bad, I guess. All right, they're going in the oven for 25 minutes. So we're gonna set a timer. Now, in my experience with meatloaves, even little ones, this is gonna take longer than 25 minutes, but we'll see. While they're cooking, I'm gonna clean all this up, and I think I will bring in my Christmas ornament box out there. We've got it sitting out there on the porch. I think I'll bring that in and take the Christmas ornaments off the tree. But like I said, we're gonna leave the tree up. I might even leave some of like just the little berries, or maybe just the lights, I don't know. Because if I leave any of it, then I'll have to get a Christmas box back out. But I'll have to put the lights up anyway, so yeah, we might leave the berries. They're smelling good, y'all, but definitely gonna take longer than 25 minutes, as we can see. We're gonna leave the berries.
And my ornament?
You wanna leave your ornament?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave yours. We're gonna leave the berries, your ornament,
And that Ninja Turtle one?
now I still need to spray our ornaments that we made this year, so I'm gonna leave those out to the side. I've got to get some of that clear coat to spray on them so they don't fade while they're being stored until next year. It's always kind of sad taking down the Christmas decorations, so you do it slowly, you know? First you just take off the ornaments, leave the tree for several more days. At least that's how I like to do it. I know some people are ready to take it down right away, but I like to do it slowly. You can reach those in the back. What's your favorite ornament? This one?
Yeah. No. Which reindeer is that?
I don't know which one that is. We almost decided to use this one as Prancer last year, but then we switched to the other Prancer. Which, by the way, where is Prancer?
Probably in your pocketbook again.
He did hang out in my pocketbook a few times this time. He's not in there, we'll find him. Before we know it, Manny, we'll be taking these right back out of the box and putting them up again on another tree. And this tree we'll be making ornaments out of. Ornament left on the tree. Who wants the chocolate ornament? All right, y'all, they ended up taking, I think, about 40 minutes. Now we're gonna put just a little bit of salsa on top of each one. And I have some Mexican blend shredded cheese that we're gonna sprinkle over that, and they go back in just for about 5 minutes just to melt the cheese and warm up this salsa.
It's lunchtime, folks. We are working on our cow trailer, and then we gotta go shoot some horses, but just about got that thing fixed. Tyler's gonna get the last U-bolts right now, and I'm fixing to try some kind of piece of meat. Yeah.
What kind of flavors are going on?
It's kind of got a Mexican taste to it. Frito kind of thing.
Dorito.
Dorito, they brothers. Frito Dorito. That's really good, baby.
It's a mini Dorito.
Dorito.
There you go. There's the name of
This
it.
is a mini Dorito.
It's a Dorito. It's a mini Dorito meatloaf.
That joker's good. That's really delicious.
But I think we should call it Dorito. That's a good name.
Dorito. Yeah. This is a lunchtime thing here.
Oh, so you wouldn't want this for supper? Well, I mean, for supper, if you had like some pinto beans on the side and stuff like that, green beans.
I believe this is more of a lunch thing, which we're eating it at lunch.
So you're feeling lunch on the Dorito.
Yeah. I think a Dorito is a lunch thing and a meatloaf is a supper thing.
Oh, okay. Well, the Doritos would be good to make ahead and freeze, and then so you can thaw them out and warm them up. That's a quick Dorito lunch.
Yeah.
Or
you can put
supper.
some Fritos on the side.
Oh, you want to mix them?
You can do
Bring the
Fritos.
brothers together.
That's right. They've been separated. They've been mad at each other for too long.
Family reunion on the
That's
plate.
right.